If you're wondering how to use trusts and foundations to protect your retirement assets, you're not alone. As an American retiree, you've worked hard to build your wealth, and now it's crucial to make sure it's safeguarded against the unexpected. In this video, I'm going to show you how trusts and foundations can help secure your retirement assets, all while offering powerful ways to protect your wealth from taxes, lawsuits, and creditors. You'll get some valuable insights that you can start applying immediately, so stay tuned. Before we dive in, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description to get a free guide on why thousands of Americans are choosing gold IRAs to secure their retirement funds. You'll learn how a gold IRA can be an ideal strategy for diversifying and safeguarding your wealth. Now, let's talk about trusts. A trust is a legal entity that allows you to place your assets under its management for the benefit of you or your beneficiaries. By setting up a trust, you can have control over how your assets are distributed after you're gone, and it helps minimize estate taxes, which can otherwise reduce what your heirs will inherit. But beyond just passing on assets, a trust also helps protect against creditors and lawsuits, providing a layer of defense that's crucial as you age and your wealth grows. Trusts also avoid the often lengthy and expensive probate process, which is the court procedure that manages the distribution of your estate when you pass away. A trust lets your heirs bypass probate, which means faster access to your assets and a reduction in legal fees. Next, let's look at foundations. Foundations are often used by those with significant wealth, offering a way to create a lasting legacy while simultaneously protecting assets. Similar to a trust, foundations can help protect your wealth from creditors, but they also serve a philanthropic purpose. You can set up a foundation that benefits causes you care about while receiving tax advantages in the process. However, for most retirees, foundations are best used in tandem with other strategies, like a gold IRA, for a diversified and secure retirement portfolio. But why mention gold IRAs? Well, if you're holding significant assets in retirement accounts like an IRA or 401k, you're probably aware of the risk of inflation, stock market volatility, and even government interference. A gold IRA offers a unique way to protect your wealth by investing in a tangible asset that tends to perform well when traditional markets fluctuate. Unlike stocks or bonds, gold has been used for centuries as a store of value, making it an ideal hedge against the erosion of your savings. By combining trusts, foundations, and gold IRAs, you're essentially building a robust fortress around your wealth. Trusts and foundations provide protection, while a gold IRA adds another layer by giving you an investment that has historically weathered economic storms. If you have 100K or more in your IRA, 401k, or even 5 MEMI Plus in savings, it's critical to use the best tools available to protect your wealth. So, if you want to learn why thousands of Americans are protecting their assets with gold IRAs, I highly recommend you click the first link in the description and download your free guide today. This is an essential step toward securing your future. Remember, using trusts, foundations, and gold IRAs doesn't just help protect your wealth, it helps ensure that you're leaving a legacy that aligns with your values while minimizing risks. If you're serious about protecting your wealth, don't wait. Get started today.